It was at this moment that he knew.
When defending a single leg takedown, if you can prevent your opponent from grabbing your leg, you're going to have a chance not only to defend the takedown, but finish with a submission. When he's trying to attack the single leg, if I reach under the arm here by the shoulder, he's still going to have a lot of leverage and power. So if I try to defend here or even sprawl, he can catch my other leg and easily turn the corner. Instead, try to defend the single leg like this. Scoop at the elbow. Notice how this opens the arm and gives me a lot of leverage to connect. From here, I just simply back up, throw the leg over, pinch my knees. As he does this, my hand's already ready, and then I make that step and catch.